एवरीवन। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक नई लेक्चर सीरीज़ लेके आया हूँ जो कि गेट से रिलेटेड है। और इसमें मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, मैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के जो स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल सब्जेक्ट होता है उसके प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस को करूँगा। ओके। सिर्फ गेट की नहीं, मैं इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज और सिविल सर्विसेज में जो भी MCQs आए हुए हैं प्रीवियस ईयर में वो करूँगा। सिमिलरली मैं मटेरियल साइंस का भी कर रहा हूँ, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स का भी कर रहा हूँ, और आगे आने वाले समय में जो अदर सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जैसे कि थर्मोडायनेमिक्स हुए, थ्योरी ऑफ मशीन हुए, इवन मैंने प्रोडक्शन का भी स्टार्ट किया है। तो धीरे धीरे सारे MCQs मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा। और ये सारे जो भी क्वेश्चंस है ये इट इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट 20 years 25 years। ओके। So those who are interested, those who are preparing for GATE exam or engineering services examination, so these lectures will be very helpful. Okay, so this is little bit about myself. Okay, so let's start. The strength of material GATE previous year question for the mechanical engineering. Actually this can be helpful for the civil engineering also, because strength of material is the one of the subject of civil engineering, civil engineering also. Okay, so if you are from civil engineering background you can also watch this video. Fine. So let's start the question. Okay, we'll read the question number 1. What is it is saying? Two identical circular rods of same diameter and the same length are subjected to same material of axial tensile force. Once I will change the pen, I will take a laser. Okay, yeah. One of the rod is made out of the mild steel having the modulus of elasticity of 206 gigapascal. See, it is question, so I'm reading fast. Okay, so you can stop the video and you can also read that. Okay, so I have to read that, I have to understand that, I have to explain that. Okay, so let's see. So the other rod is made out of the cast iron having a modulus of elasticity 100 gigapascal. So there is two rods, of one of mild steel, another of iron, assuming both material having homogeneous and isotropic, and axial force causes the same amount of uniform stress of both the rods. The stress developed or within the proportional limit of represent respective materials. Which of the following observation is correct? The both rod elongate by the same amount, mild steel elongate more than cast iron. Okay, so they are talking about which has more elongation. Okay, that we have to compare. Okay, so they have given the elastic modulus and they are comparing their elongation. Okay, so let's see the solution. So what we have to do, we know the for expression of elongation, that is delta L is equal to PL by AE. Okay, P is the force, L is the length, A is the area, is the elastic modulus. Okay, the remaining thing is same as per the question. If you read the question carefully, you will find that PL and A is same for everything. I mean for both. Okay. Now only E is different. So you can write from here this delta L is inversely proportional to 1 by E. Okay, so you can write for the ratio of mild steel to cast iron. So it will be EL cast since it is inversely proportional. So we can write E of cast iron by E of mild steel. So now we can write 100 by 206. So if you simplify that, you will find that delta L of cast iron will be greater than delta L of, one second, yeah, delta L of cast iron is greater than delta of mild steel. Okay, so we can see the option number C is the correct. The cast iron rod elongate more than the mild steel rod. Fine. We'll go to the next question. The steel rod of 40 mm into 40 mm square cross section is subjected to an axial compressive load of 200 kilonewton. If the length of the bar is 2 meter and the E is the 200 gigapascal, the elongation of the bar. Okay, so again, delta L is equal to PL by AE we have to use. So solution. So this is the expression, that is delta L is equal to PL by AE. So everything is given. You just put here. Remember, just put whenever you are putting these value, so you see this is in this Pascal is Newton per meter square. This is in mm. Okay, so you have to convert this into meter. Okay, then you have to put. And now, so this will come into meter, then convert, and answer is given in mm, so then again convert into mm, so it is 1.25. So answer will be A. Okay, let's question. Okay, it is a question of grade 2006. What is saying? The ultimate tensile strength of material is 400 megapascal and the elongation up to maximum load is 35%. If the material obey power law of hardening, then the true stress strain relation. What they are saying, the elongation is maximum of 35% and the UTS is given this much. So what will be the the plastic deformation? Okay, so which four will be the answer? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to multiply this with it is increasing 35%, so we have to multiply with this 400 with 1.35. okay, so that will be our the final strength. Okay, and this exponent will be 0.35. Let's see. So you can see here, so this we have to multiply 400 with 1.35, it will be 540. This strength hardening is 0.35. okay, so the answer will be C. okay, the answer is C. Simple question, it's looking complicated, but it's not complicated, it's a very simple question. Okay, let's see the next. Okay, we'll read this question. What is saying? An axial residual compressive stress due to the manufacturing process is present on the outer surface of the rotating shaft subjected to bending. Under a given bending load, the fatigue life of the shaft of the residual compressive stress is. Okay, so let's see the answer. This answer is D. Okay, you please see this explanation. इतना कुछ इसमें एक्सप्लेन करने वाला नहीं है, just read that. It's a straightforward question. Now next question is, the static load is mounted at the center of the shaft rotated a uniform angular velocity. Okay, this shaft will be designed for. Okay, क्या दिया हुआ ऑप्शन? The maximum compressive stress static, the maximum tensile stress static, maximum bending stress static. ओके, सो देखिए इसमें क्या करा, यूनिफॉर्म एंगुलर वेलोसिटी. ओके, तो इसका आप आंसर विल बी डी, फटीग. ओके, फटीग मीन्स बार बार उस पर रिपीट होता रहेगा. फाइन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फटीग स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ रॉड सब्जेक्टेड टू अ साइक्लिक एक्सियल फोर्स is less than that of the rotating beam of the same dimension subjected to steady lateral force because okay, so let's see the option. Axial stiffness is less than bending stiffness, absence of centrifugal effect in the rod, the number of discontinuities vulnerable to fatigue are more in the rod. What is the D option? At a particular time, the rod has only one type of stress where the beam has both tensile and compressive stress. Okay, so fatigue strength में ये बोलना कि क्या होगा? Answer will be D actually. Okay, दोनों होता है. Okay, इसमें cyclic axial force. Okay, so fatigue strength में cyclic axial force less than that of the rotating beam of the same dimension subjected to steady lateral compressive. So इसमें देखिए tensile and compressive दोनों ही होगा. Okay, so please read the question carefully and take the answer. Okay, so the answer will be D. Now next question is, a rod of length L and diameter is D is subjected to tensile load P. Which of the following is sufficient to calculate the resulting change in diameter? Okay, तो इसका आंसर भी होगा both Young's modulus and CL modulus. Okay, so this is the expression that E is equal to 2G1 plus mu. So from here, actually this they want to know that whether you know this formula or not. So you please remember this E is equal to 2G1 plus mu. जब हम लोग इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज का क्वेश्चन देखेंगे तो विल सी दैट using this formula, and it has two more formula. So using those three formula, they have asked lot more question in the engineering services examination. Even GATE has also asked question from here. Okay, so this is very very important expression. So its answer will be D, both young modulus and shear modulus. Now next question is, देखिए वही चीज़ मैं आपको बोल रहा था जो कि पिछले क्वेश्चन में था कि हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट दैट एक्सप्रेशन इज. ओके, ये गेट 2004 में आया हुआ है. लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. द टर्म ऑफ पॉइजन्स रेशियो म्यू मॉडुलस रेशियो ई टू द शियर मॉडुलस जी. ओके, सो इट्स आंसर विल बी ए. इसमें एक्सप्रेशन पूछ रहा है डायरेक्ट, सो यू हैव टू मेमोराइज द फॉर्मूला एंड जस्ट टिक द आंसर. तो जैसे इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज के प्रीलिम्स में क्या होता है, 10-20 क्वेश्चन ऐसे होते हैं. इफ यू नो द फॉर्मूला यू कैन जस्ट टिक दैट. ओके, जस्ट नो नीड टू रीड इवन द ऑप्शन. यू जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन, सी द ऑप्शन, इमीडिएटली यू कैन करेक्ट. ओके, फाइन. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेस लेक्चर. देखिए लगातार 3 क्वेश्चन जो आए हुए हैं डिफरेंट ईयर्स में है, तो इवन गेट में भी ये इसका काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंस है. ओके, ये रिलेशन पूछ रहा है, इसको पढ़ना क्या है. द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द यंग्स मॉडुलस, बल्क मॉडुलस एंड पॉइजन्स रेशियो. ओके, सो देखिए दोनों चीज़ें होती है. ई और जी के बीच में क्या रिलेशन, ई और के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है, और ई जी के तीनों के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है. ओके, सो इसका होगा ए ई इज इक्वल टू 3k 1 - 2. देखिए मैं इस फॉर्मूले की बात कर रहा था. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला, दैट इज इज इक्वल टू 2g 1 + म्यू 3k 1 - 2 mu is equal to 9 kg by 3 kg. Okay, so they can ask you from any of the formula in the exam. So you can see here GATE has asked from here and here. Okay, हो सकता है कि आपके ईयर में इस पे क्वेश्चन आ जाए. ओके, के और जी की वैल्यू दे दे और ई की वैल्यू पूछ ले 1 नंबर में. ओके, so this is the end of this lecture. So I hope you like that. Next question I will solve more problem based on stress strain. Okay, similarly the stress I will solve question stress strain for the engineering services examination. That question already came in engineering services examination as well as civil services examination. Okay, पहले सिविल सर्विसेज में जब प्रीलिम्स में ऑप्शनल चूज करना होता था तो आता था, वो सारे क्वेश्चन है, आपको कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है, अभी नहीं होता है. बट या दोज क्वेश्चन आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay, for the other exam point of view. Fine. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.